Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi icon not showing on Windows 10 and 11. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Let's now start. To fix a Wi-Fi connection issue, launch the Network Troubleshooter by right-clicking on the Windows icon and selecting System. Then, navigate to Bluetooth and Devices. Then System, and select Other Troubleshooters. Click on Internet Connection. Then Run, and select Troubleshoot My Internet Connection. If the issue is not with the VMware network adapter, close it. To disable a Wi-Fi adapter, navigate to Network and Internet. Search for Wi-Fi and enable bypass and rename options. Disable the adapter by right-clicking it and selecting ncpa.cpl from Windows Enter key. If the adapter still doesn't work, disable it. Wait a few seconds and then enable it again. Reboot your computer. That's all for now, everyone. Thanks for watching.